A good day to our dear teachers, students and parents. After a hectic busy schedule of my duty, I take this time to express my sincere gratitude to God and to all of you. As Virgil says, success nourishes them. They can because they think they can. We are here to celebrate the many successes which the children and the school have achieved this year. At St. Anthony's, we are very proud of our caring, inclusive ethos, where we set high standards and expectations for our students to achieve and behave their very best. From the moment a new student joins our school community, we want them to feel a sense of happiness and belonging, as this is essential to their future success. One of our core beliefs about academic success is that hard work, determination, and consistent effort are key elements in achieving success. All of the above is only possible within a firm but fair code of discipline. Respect for the institution and education will greatly enhance the prospect of success. Now it's my pleasure to congratulate the position holders and all the students who have passed the SSLC and the HSSLC examination this year. I wish you all the best and pray for your further success in the term of education. You stand at a threshold. If you look back over your shoulder, you see the life you have lived for many years. You will probably do that from time to time. Yes, you will look back, but you cannot go back in life. Life is very complicated. Don't try very hard to find answers, because when you find answers, life changes the questions. So, look ahead. You may not like a lot of what you see. You would see things in a mess all over, in education, in politics, and in civil life. It is not your doing, but you are going to be called upon to help to clean it up. During your life in this school, we believe we have given you the necessary tools, academic, moral, and spiritual, for this very challenging task. We will watch and pray that you use these tools efficiently and effectively in your life ahead. Remember, when you struggle, it is the struggle itself that will make you nobler and your life more meaningful. God upsets our plan only to set up His plan for us, because we see our present and plan for our future. But He sees our future and plans our present. Be sure of our interest and support always. Go forth and embrace your future with open arms and enthusiastically pursue your own life journey of discovery. Render dedicated service to humanity and live a happy and peaceful life. I am proud and honored to be able to reiterate that I am fortunate to be working with some of the best educators that I have had the privilege to work alongside. The drive, passion, and determination, underpinned by skill, knowledge, and empathy, has seen teaching and learning continue to raise progress and achievement despite the ever-changing social, learning, and emotional needs that we are confronted with. My gratitude and congratulations also goes to my teachers who have continued our learning journey. You are all incredibly dedicated and a hard-working team. I appreciate your expertise and encouragement of all the students. Thank you, parents, for your contributions to the school. The school is certainly better for having you as part of the school family. Students, you have all worked so very hard and will continue to do so. Remember to show the world you care. Be a thinker, always work hard. Keep up the absolutely brilliant work. Keep striving to always do your best. May God bless you all abundantly. Wishing you all the very best in life. Father Anthony Carkmore, Principal of St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School.